Today we're making my favorite cheesy mushroom sandwich. We're going to start with 2 yellow onions sliced up. Thin, not too thin. Add 2 spoons of salt, and we're going to let these onions caramelize in 2 tablespoons of oil. So you really want them nice and brown and caramelly. So do it on medium for about 5 to 10 minutes. Scoop the onions out of the pan. I am doing this in an iron pan to really get that caramel flavor really nice. Scoop the onions out, put in another tablespoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And I like the seeds here, they have better flavor. We're going to throw in about 1.5 pounds of shredded mushrooms. Whatever your favorite mushrooms are again. I've used portobello, cremini, some oyster, a little bit of king oyster, all shredded up, mixed up. Let them get nice and brown in that iron pan. We're going to throw in about 3 to 4 jalapenos or sweet peppers, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a teaspoon of oregano. Go ahead and stir that around, and you will have this beautiful mixture. Put the onions back in. And you can see how wonderfully it's come together. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You want that thickness and that umami. Really mix it around well. Ah, gorgeous. This is your filling for the sandwiches. So I'm using a loaf of my sourdough over here. You can use your favorite bread, whatever toasts up really nicely, gets nice and crunchy. So I love sourdough, and that's what I'm going to use. All right, these bread slices are huge, so I did cut them in half to make half sandwiches. But you can make the whole sandwich gigantic, and just depends on how hungry you are. And then I've got some slices of vegan provolone here. I'm going to throw in the vegan provolone. And we're going to panini these up in, again, an iron pan. The iron really helps to get that nice, crusty, crispy panini sandwich thing happening. I am covering it with a second pan to cook it and kind of smush it down to get that nice panini feel for it. It gets nice and crusty, the cheese will melt, it holds the heat a little bit better. And when you're done, just top it off with your favorite vegan nacho cheese. It comes out fabulous, trust me.